Hey friends, it's Lori and welcome back to my channel. You guys, today I finally am filming my Nasty Gal haul. I've had the items for, I don't know, maybe about a month. They've been hanging in the closet. I haven't showed you guys yet. And I don't know, I want to show you what I got because I got some really great deals. I have never ordered anything from Nasty Gal. Ever. Why? Because I got some killer deals on there and they send me emails and I'm like, what? I need to order from them. So you guys, if you're interested in seeing what I picked up on my Nasty Gal haul, keep watching. Okay, you guys, what I pretty much ordered was band tees because I love band tees. I love graphic tees, but band tees are my favorite because I just love music. So I got some really good deals on some band tees. But first, I got a sweatshirt. You guys, I don't know. I love this sweatshirt. And I can't wait for fall to wear it. Because it says, ta-da, bitch, please. I mean, come on. Really? I wish that, there's so many times I wish I had this sweatshirt on because then I could just like be in the store, you know, shopping. You know, here we are. We got our sweatshirt on. Then you got that stupid person that wants to cut in front of you, rub all up against you, no mask, and it's like, you know, it's like, so I think I'm going to start doing that when I wear it out and somebody pisses me off and be like, bitch, please. Like, okay, I was in the Walmart bathroom last weekend because there was no way that I was going to make it home without going to the bathroom. So I ran into the bathroom. I come out of the stall and there's this girl standing there who had been in one of the other stalls, obviously. She's playing on her phone. She has no mask on. I'm washing my hands. I'm like, great. She does not have a mask on. I'm washing my hands and she's like playing on this phone. Then I think she realized what she did. She looked up at me and I'm like, if I'd had this on, I'd been like, bitch, please. You know? I love this. It's like a gray color. Let me tell you, I could whoop that girl's ass big time in that Walmart bathroom. But I didn't want to go to jail. She actually walked out when she realized what she had done. And she knew. Answer machine. But she knew what she had done and she knew that I was pissed, so she walked out. But I love this. Look at this. I got it in, did I get it in? Oh. Got it in a large, and it's charcoal. It says oversized graphic sweatshirt. And of course it's Nasty Gal. But I got it in a large and it fits great. It is definitely oversized. I do the try on, of course, but I really like this sweatshirt, you guys. And it just, if you knew how many times that I used these two words, like, I don't know, 40 times a day, yeah, that's definitely me. Okay. I got another Fleetwood Mac Rumors tee. Guys, this one is like really, really soft. I have wanted this black Rumors tee for a long time. Free People has it. They want $78 for it. And I was always like, that is not happening. I am not paying $78 for no t-shirt. I mean,
no, I didn't see that.
And I have waited
I haven't seen it
for like over a year for it to get marked down and go on clearance. But I guess where Stevie Nicks is such a big thing right now on like TikTok and stuff, they're just not marking that t-shirt down. Well, anyway, Nasty Gals had it, and I think it was like $14. I was like, yes, yes. I got it in a size 14 because their sizing on the t-shirts aren't small, medium, large. It was like 8, 10, 12. And I was wanting it to be baggy for like leggings and to have that room to tie it if I want to tie it and things like that. So I went with a 14. It worked out perfect. It really did. And I'm so glad that I finally got it without paying $78 for it. I mean, I have looked on Amazon and everywhere for this. So they have Nasty Gal. I looked last night and they still have it. And they actually have it. They have it in regular sizes. They have it in plus sizes. They actually had 3 different sections to buy it in. So I was like, cool. Okay. Next, I got this Janis Joplin. It's a t-shirt dress. Look at that. I really like this, you guys. I really do. It is longer. I would wear it with bike shorts underneath it. If I'm going to wear it as a dress, it's going to definitely have to have some shorts under it because I'm not into showing the coochie, and I don't think Kevin would like that either. But I love t-shirt dresses. Now, I'm like 5'7.5", 5'8", and so I can't never get them just the right length on me, you know what I'm saying, to where I don't have to wear nothing under them. But yeah, I got this. I got it in a size large. It's a size large. But I just really like it. It's like Madison Square Garden. It has the ticket prices. Oh my gosh, prices $6.50 all the way down to $4. And nowadays, to a concert ticket, if I'm going to Manchester Music Hall in Lexington, which is like a little club, whenever I go there to see rock concerts, because I love to watch a show in a club. It's just more personal, you know what I'm saying? You actually get to meet the band. You can be standing at the back of the building and still be able to see the band, whereas in an arena, it's hard to see them unless you get seats up front. And if you get seats up front, they're expensive because me and Kevin always tried to get as close as we can, and it's usually like $300 for 2 tickets. I'm just like, but when I go to a concert, I want to see the band. I want to hear the band. I want to I just want to rock with the band. And Kevin won't get on the floor, so we get seats. Otherwise, I would be on the floor. But that is me and my daughter's thing, get on the floor. But I don't know. Tickets are expensive anymore to concerts, and it's ridiculous. And I really miss concerts right now, you guys. I really miss concerts. I'm wanting to see one so bad. But tickets at Manchester Music Hall, I mean, I've paid $20, $25. I think the most I've maybe paid $35. Maybe. Did I pay $35? I don't remember. I know back in the day, I seen Judas Priest, Megadeth, Suicidal Tendencies, and who else was it? $16 at Hare Arena in Dayton, Ohio. So ticket prices are ridiculous. But anyway, love this, love this, love this. I love this. Okay, I seen this on their website and I was like, wow, I have not heard that name in years. Thin Lizzie. Yay! Thin Lizzie. It says Thin Lizzie Nightlife. I love this. You guys, their tees are not like the thick. You know how a lot of t-shirts are like really, really thick? This isn't thick, but yet it's not so thin that it's see-through. It's lightweight. How's that? It's lightweight. They're very lightweight. But I got this also in a large. I got this in an extra large. But I love this. Absolutely love this. Gosh, I have not heard of Thin Lizzie. since I was a teenager. And I am not going to tell you how many years ago that was, but it was quite a few. And then the last one I got is actually gray. Like, this is a black and gray haul, okay? This is the Rolling Stones American Tour 72. This is also supposed to be a t-shirt dress, but you will see that on me it is not a dress. I have to wear something under it. So this is going to be really comfy. Fall weather ever kicks in, it's going to be really comfy to wear with like leggings and a flannel shirt over top of it. I can't wait. I really can't wait. And, you know, my Doc Martens and a beanie. You know, I can't wait. I'm ready for fall. This heat is killing me. Like, killing me. But anyway, the reason I ended up on Nasty Gal's website was because Like to Know It Day. If you don't follow me on Like to Know It, I'm going to leave my link below. Please go follow me. I lost all my followers. Somehow I ended up with 2 accounts. Same picture, same everything. One account had all my followers on it, but none of my posts went to that account. All my other posts went to my other account, and it has no followers. So I had a couple of the women at Like to Know It trying to help me fix it, but we ended up having to delete an account. And I didn't want to start over with my posts, so we deleted the account with all the followers. So now my account has no followers. I'm just out there in space somewhere on Like to Know It. Got posts, but I have no followers. That is my life. That is how my life has been going lately. But anyway, they had Like to Know It Day. So, you know, certain retailers were having sales. And Nasty Gal had 60% off. And so I thought, you know, I'm going to go check out their website. You know, I've seen other people do Nasty Gal hauls, and some of the clothing they got, I was like, but when I went on it, I was like, if I'd known this, I'd have shopped here a long time ago. But, so it was 60% off. And so I got a killer deal on this stuff. It shipped really fast. I was impressed. I had it within a week. And all the clothing fit. I mean, it fit. It's true to size. It's not too big, too small. It's perfect. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. That's how I ended up on the Nasty Gal website. And I got me some killer banties, you guys, some killer banties. But that's it. That is everything that I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You're the first ones to know every time I post a new video. We try to have fun here. And yeah, I love you guys. Please stay safe. Please stay healthy. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.